When we are happy, we turn to music. When we're angry, we turn to music. And when we're relaxed, we turn to music. And there's something especially endearing about the Indian music that we will be celebrating today. It has the ability, unlike any genre, to pluck the strings of your heart and make you feel something that no other form of music can, which is why we're so glad to be celebrating it today. We are aware that this event is online and there are some difficulties. But the team of the Indian Conclave has worked so hard to overcome these difficulties and organize the best event possible for you. This looks like sleepless nights of them organizing the event and bringing you the best possible event so that all of you have one of the best experiences of your life today. Today, we have a wide range of variety of things that you could enjoy. From a brilliant panel of judges to an amazing set of participants who've been through a vigorous selection to some surprises that all of you are going to enjoy thoroughly. I am so glad that all of you could make it today, and I hope all of you have a brilliant time. Welcome again to the event, Alchemy.
Thank you so much, Simir, for welcoming all of us. So, without further ado, I will hand over the floor to the anchor, Kashvi Methi, who's going to host you for the rest of this competition, so that she can introduce our very wonderful judges that we have on board with us.
Thank you so much, Rishabh. Hello, everybody. My name is Kashvi, and I will be your MC this fine evening. And it is my absolute pleasure to welcome our respected judges, Miss Aditi Bhavaraju and Rishabh and Yuvraj Kaushal. Miss Aditi Bhavaraju is studying management while pursuing an illustrious career as a playback singer. She has performed over 70 shows at various events, fundraisers, and for various organizations in India and the USA, such as the Telugu Association of North America, Telugu People Foundation, and the Janasena. She has worked in over 15 Telugu films, including American Born Confused Desi and Venki Mama. We thank you for your presence today, ma'am. Mr. Rishabh and Yuvraj Kaushal, better known as the Kaushal brothers, are musicians who you may know from their viral cover of the Love Kush Ramayan Gan. They have risen to fame on Instagram and YouTube thanks to their amazing covers of popular songs, TV show soundtracks, and bhajans, racking up over 8.5 thousand subscribers on YouTube and 6.4 thousand on Instagram. Thank you for taking time out from your busy schedule to be with us today. With judges as talented and experienced in music as those that we have today with us, there is no doubt that this evening will be truly magical. Competing for the wonderful prize today from all over India, we have Sharang, Piyush, Chinmay, Chandrasnatha, Revati, Aradhya, Gautami, Sahiti, Dhriti, and Rohit. 4 performances in, we will also have a surprise from a very special artist, so stay tuned. Without further ado, I'd like to call upon our first contestant. Sharang Rajan is an 18-year-old student at Tadomal Shahani Engineering College in Mumbai. Sharang, you have the stage.
Hi, hello, my name is Sharang Rajan and I'm going to sing Ma Tujhe Salam by A.R. Rahman. यहाँ वहाँ सारा जहाँ देख लिया है, कहीं भी तेरे जैसा कोई नहीं, मैं अस्सी नहीं 100 दुनिया घुमा, यही कहीं तेरे जैसा कोई नहीं, मैं गया जहाँ भी बस तेरी याद थी, जो मेरे साथ थी, मुझको तड़पाती रुलाती, सबसे प्यारी तेरी सूरत, प्यार है बस तेरा प्यार ही, माँ तुझे सलाम, माँ तुझे सलाम, अम्मा तुझे सलाम, वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम। तेरे पास ही मैं आ रहा हूँ, अपनी बाहें खोल के, जोर से मुझको गले लगा ले, मुझको फिर वो प्यार दे। तू ही जिंदगी है, तू ही मेरी मोहब्बत है, तेरे पैरों में जन्नत है, तू ही दिल तू जान, अम्मा माँ तुझे सलाम, माँ तुझे सलाम, अम्मा तुझे सलाम, माँ तुझे सलाम। वंदे मातरम, 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 वंदे मातरम। Thank you.
Thank you, Sharang. That was very nice.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much for that powerful performance, Sharang. Now, I'd like to call upon Mr. Piyush Murmuria for our next song.
So please unmute yourself.
Yeah, my name is Piyush Murmuria. I'll be singing a song from the film Kesari.
एक मिनट पीयूष जी एक मिनट
Yeah.
Can
Yeah.
you stop the song? Can you bring the
Yeah.
phone closer to you so I can hear you better?
Okay, sure. Is it good?
Yes.
Yeah, I'll start again.
Yes.
तलवारों पे सवार दिए, अंगारों में जिस्म जलाया है, तब जाके कहीं हमने सर पे ये केसरी रंग सजाया है। है मेरी ज़मीं अफसोस नहीं जो तेरे लिए सौ दर्द सहे, महफूज रहे तेरी आन सदा, चाहे जान मेरी रहे न रहे। है मेरी ज़मीं महबूब मेरी नस नस में तेरा इश्क बहे, लिखा न पड़े कभी न रंग तेरा जिस्म से निकल के खून का है। तेरी मिट्टी में मिल जावा मन के मैं खिल जावा इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू। तेरी नदियों में बह जावा तेरे खेतों में लहरावा इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू। That's it.
वेरी गुड पीयूष जी, बहुत अच्छा गाया आपने। बाकी देखते हैं आगे। बेस्ट ऑफ लक।
That was lovely, sir. Now I would like to call upon Chinmayi, a 16-year-old student at Bangalore's Deccan International School, for the next performance. You have the stage.
Good evening, everyone. I'm going to be singing the song "Ae Watan" from the movie Razi. I hope you guys enjoy it.
Chinmay, can I see your face, please?
Actually, my internet connection is not that good.
All right.
I'm going to be singing unplugged.
All right. You don't have any karaoke or anything like that?
No.
All right, good. Thank you.
Okay. Thank you. ए वतन मेरे वतन, ए वतन मेरे वतन, ए वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तो, ए वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तो, मैं जहाँ रहूं जहाँ में याद है तू, मैं जहाँ रहूं जहाँ में याद रहे तू, ए वतन मेरे वतन, ए वतन मेरे वतन, तू ही मेरी मंजिल है पहचान तुझी से, पहुँचूं मैं जहाँ भी मेरी बुनियाद रहे तू, ए वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तू, ए वतन वतन मेरे आबाद है तो, मैं जहाँ रहूं जहाँ में याद रहे तू, मैं जहाँ रहूं जहाँ में याद रहे तू, ए वतन मेरे वतन, ए वतन मेरे वतन, तुझ पे कोई गम की आँच आने नहीं दूं, कुर्बान मेरी जान तुझ पे शाद रहे तू, ए वतन मेरे वतन, ए वतन मेरे वतन, ए वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तो, मैं जहाँ रहूं जहाँ में याद रहे तू, ए वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तू, ए वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तू, मैं जहाँ रहूं जहाँ में याद रहे तू, मैं जहाँ रहूं जहाँ में याद रहे तू, ए वतन मेरे वतन, ए वतन मेरे वतन।
Thank you, Chinmay. That was very nice. Thank you so much. All the best.
Thank you.
Thank you, Chinmay. So now, as promised, we have a surprise performance from Mr. Laksh Goswami, a very talented music creator who posts covers on Instagram and YouTube. Please take the stage, sir.
So, hey guys, I hope I'm audible. So, first of all, I would like to introduce myself. So, I am Laksh Goswami and I'm originally from Delhi, and I've just passed my 12th. And so, yeah, so I do like singing a lot, and during my boards also, I used to sing a lot. So, I'll be singing mashups. I have these would be Bollywood songs only. So let's begin. तुझको पुकारे तेरी परछाइयां मेरा मान जा रे फकीरा यूं न जा ओ आजा तुझको पुकारे तेरी परछाइयां So yeah, if you want to suggest some song, you can suggest me. I'll sing for you if I know the lyrics. Please in the chat box. Or I was singing bad, you don't wanna listen. I have one request for Shayad. let's sing this song. This is Kaise Hua. So this is one of my favorite track. हंसता रहता हूँ तुझसे मिलकर क्यों आजकल बदले बदले हैं मेरे तेवर क्यों आजकल आके मेरी हर जगह ढूंढे तुझे बेवजह ये मैं कोई और है मेरी तरह कैसे तुझे जरूरी कैसे तू इतना जरूरी कैसे हुआ. So thank you guys, that was it.
You have really nice guitar skills and your voice is very well syncing with the guitar, so all the best.
Thank you so much.
I am absolutely blown away. Can we have some cheers in the chat for that absolutely amazing performance? Thank you so much, sir. Okay, now our next contestant is Chandrasnatha Mohanty from Fiji.
And if I'm not wrong, this is the fourth contestant, right?
Yes, yes it is.
What's that? What's her name?
Chandrasnatha.
Chandrasnatha. Hello, my name is Snata and I'm going to sing Bharat Humko Jaan Se Pyara from Rosa. भारत हमको जान से प्यारा है, सबसे न्यारा गुलिस्ता हमारा है. भारत हमको जान से प्यारा है, सबसे न्यारा गुलिस्ता हमारा है. सदियों से भारत भूमि दुनिया की शान है, भारत माँ की रक्षा में जीवन कुर्बान है. भारत हमको जान से प्यारा है, सबसे न्यारा गुलिस्ता हमारा है. जन्मभूमि है हमारी शान से कहेंगे हम, सभी तो भाई भाई प्यार से रहेंगे हम. भारत हमको जान से प्यारा है, सबसे न्यारा गुलिस्ता हमारा है. हिंदुस्तानी नाम हमारा है, सबसे प्यारा देश हमारा है. Thank you.
That was beautiful, Snata. Our next contestant is 15-year-old Revati Rajshekhar from Manthan School, Hyderabad. I welcome her to take the stage.
Hello, I'm Revati Rajshekhar and I'll be singing Teri Mitti by Parneeti Chopra, sung by Parneeti Chopra. I'll start. Okay. और आज नवे तेरी सांसों पे थोड़ा सा वतन का भी हक था. ना देख मुझे यूं मुड़ मुड़ के, तेरा मेरा साथ यही तक था. ये तेरी ज़मीं तेरे खून से ही तो सजती संवरती है रांझे, तेरे इश्क की मैं हकदार नहीं, तेरे हीर तो धरती है रांझे। तेरी मिट्टी में मिल जावा गुल बन के, मैं खिल जावा इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू। तेरी नदियों में बह जावा, तेरी खेतों में लहरावा इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू। ऐ मेरी ज़मीं अफसोस नहीं जो तेरे लिए सौ दर्द सहे, महफूज रहे तेरी आन सदा चाहे जान मेरी ये रहे ना रहे। ए मेरी ज़मीं महबूब मेरी, मेरी नस नस में तेरा इश्क बहे, फीका ना पड़े कभी रंग तेरा जिस्म से निकल के खून कहे है। तेरी मिट्टी में गुल बन के मैं इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू। Yeah, thank you.
Thank
Okay,
you
very
for
well
that.
done.
That was absolutely wonderful, Revati. Thank you so much. Now, I'd like to call upon Aradhya, also from Manthan School, for the next performance of the day.
Is it okay if I leave my video off? My internet connection isn't very stable. Okay, thank you. I'm going to be singing Tujh Mein Rab Dikhta Hai from Rab Ne Bana Di Jodi by Shreya Ghoshal. ना कुछ पूछा ना कुछ मांगा, तूने दिल से दिया जो दिया, ना कुछ बोला ना कुछ टोला, मुस्कुरा के दिया जो दिया। तू ही धूप तू ही छाया, तू ही अपना पराया, और कुछ ना जानू बस इतना ही जानू, तुझ में रब दिखता है यारा मैं क्या करूँ, तुझ में रब दिखता है यारा मैं क्या करूँ, सजदे सर झुकता है यारा मैं क्या करूँ, तुझ में रब दिखता है यारा मैं क्या करूँ, सजदे सर झुकता है यारा मैं क्या करूँ, तुझ में रब दिखता है यारा मैं क्या करूँ। रब ने बना दी जोड़ी है। Thank you.
Thank you. That was very sweet, Aradhya.
That was so beautiful, Aradhya. Coming up, we have Gautami Deshmukh from the School of Scholars in Maharashtra. Gautami, you may take the stage.
If you guys could show us your beautiful faces, it would be very nice. Unless you have an internet problem, then that's fine. But if you don't have an internet problem, you're just feeling nervous and you're not showing your face, calm down, it's fine. They're not going to eat you. They're just judging you.
नमस्ते सबको। मैं गौतमी देशमुख हूँ एंड मैं मोहे रंग दो लाल गाने वाली हूँ फ्रॉम द मूवी बाजीराव मस्तानी। सो आई विल स्टार्टिंग। मुझे रंग दो लाल, मुझे रंग दो लाल, नंद के लाल लाल, छेड़ो नहीं बस रंग दो लाल, मुझे रंग दो लाल। देखो देखो तुझको मैं हूँ के निहार, देखो देखो तुझको मैं हूँ के निहार, चुन पर मुरताज सपन नैन भर कर रहे निहार, मुझे रंग दो लाल, नंद के लाल लाल, छेड़ो नहीं बस रंग दो लाल, मुझे रंग दो लाल। मरोड़ी कलाई मोरी, मरोड़ी कलाई मोरी हाँ, कलाई मोरी हाँ, कलाई मरोड़ी कलाई मोरी, छोरी चटकाई इतराई तो चोरी से गरवा लगाई, हरी चुनरिया जो छटके से छीने, हरी चुनरिया जो छटके से छीने, मैं तो रंग हरे हरे के रंग लाल जैसे गुलाबी गाल, मोहे रंग दो लाल, नंद के लाल लाल, छेड़ो नहीं बस रंग दो लाल, मोहे रंग दो लाल। Thank you so much. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you, Gautami. Your voice is very nice, very sweet.
That was amazing, Gautami. For our next performance, we have Sahiti Ittha from Phoenix Screens.
Hi, I'm Sahiti Ittha, and I'm about to sing the mashup of Maa Tujhe Salam and Ye Jo Desh Hai Mera. So I'm gonna start. मैं गया जहाँ भी बस तेरी याद थी, जो मेरे साथ थी मुझको तड़पाती रुलाती, सबसे प्यारी तेरी सूरत, प्यार है बस तेरा प्यार ही, माँ तुझे सलाम, माँ तुझे सलाम, अम्मा तुझे सलाम, ये जो देश है तेरा स्वदेश है तेरा, तुझे है पुकारा, ये वो बंधन है जो कभी टूट नहीं
ये जो देश है तेरा स्वदेश है तेरा, तुझे है पुकारा, कि वो बंधन है जो कभी टूट नहीं सकता, मिट्टी की है जो खुशबू तू कैसे भुलाएगा, तू चाहे कहीं जाए तू लौट के आएगा, नई नई राहों में डबी डबी आँखों में, खोए खोए दिल से तेरे कोई ये कहेगा, ये जो देश है तेरा स्वदेश है तेरा। Thank you.
Okay, that was very nice. And keep it up. All the best.
Yes, thank you so much, Sahiti. Next, we have Miss Dhriti Jotwani. Ma'am, you have the stage.
Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. I'm Dhriti Jotwani. I'm going to be singing "Ae Mere Watan Ke Logo" by Lata Mangeshkar. I'm going to begin. Is the karaoke audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you. ए मेरे वतन के लोगों, जरा आँख में भर लो पानी, जो शहीद हुए हैं उनकी जरा याद करो कुर्बानी। ए मेरे वतन के लोगों, जरा आँख में भर लो पानी, जो शहीद हुए हैं उनकी जरा याद करो कुर्बानी। जब घायल हुआ हिमालय, खतरे में पड़ी आजादी, जब तक थी सांस लड़े वो, जब तक थी सांस लड़े वो, फिर अपनी लाश बिछा दी, संगीन पे धर कर माथा, सो गए अमर बलिदानी, जो शहीद हुए हैं उनकी जरा याद करो कुर्बानी। जब देश में थे दीवाले, वो खेल रहे थे होली, जब हम बैठे थे घरों में, जब हम बैठे थे घरों में, वो झेल रहे थे गोली, थे धन्य जवान वो अपने, थी धन्य वो उनकी जवानी, जो शहीद हुए हैं उनकी जरा याद करो कुर्बानी। मेरे वतन के लोगों, जरा आँख में भर लो पानी, जो शहीद हुए हैं उनकी जरा याद करो कुर्बानी, जरा याद करो कुर्बानी। I'm done. Yeah. Thank you.
You selected the perfect song for this, so good job on that, and
Thank you.
very nice vocal skills you have. So all the best.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
That was amazing, ma'am. Now for our final performance of the day, I'd like to welcome Rohit Katta to the stage.
Yes. Greetings, everyone. Give me a second. Uh,
Looks like you've got a lots of fans, Rohit. Lots of people like congratulating you and wishing you all the best. Fan base बड़े अच्छा है.
Mute
You're
him.
not
Mute.
audible. You're not audible. Okay. Look at everyone wishing Rohit.
Thank you guys. Greetings, everyone. I am Rohit Katta, and I sing, and yes, so I feel this is a great opportunity to be here singing in front of such amazing people. Thank you for the wishes, and also coming to the theme, it is incredible India. So I felt two songs that are really close to my heart. One is Lukka Chupi from Rang De Basanti, and the other one is Tuner from ABCD2. Both of them are extremely close to my heart, and I hope I'll do justice to what my feelings are, and that is what incredible India is feeling for your country, and what better than mother's love, and what better song than a song for the country. So yes, I'll get into it, guys. Thank you.
All the best, Rohit.
Thank you. Is my guitar audible? All right. Yes. लुका छुपी बहुत हुई, सामने आ जाना, कहा ढूंढा तुझे, थक गई अब तेरी माँ, आजा सांझ हुई, मुझे तेरी फिक्र धुंधला रही, देख मेरी नजर आ जाना, क्या बताऊं मैं माँ कहाँ हूँ मैं, यहाँ उड़ने को मेरे खुला आसमां है, तेरे किस्सों जैसा बोला सलोना जहाँ है यारो, सपनों वाला मेरी पतंग हो बेफिकर उड़ रही है माँ, डोर कोई लौटा नहीं, बीच से काटे ना, आजा सांझ हुई, मुझे तेरी फिक्र धुंधला रही, देख मेरी नजर आ जाना. I'll be moving into my second song. जीना 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 रे उड़ा गुलाल, माई तेरी चुनरिया लहराए, जीना जीना रे उड़ा गुलाल, माई तेरी चुनरिया लहराए, रंग तेरी रीत का, रंग तेरी प्रीत का, रंग तेरी जीत का है लाई लाई लाई, रंग तेरी रीत का, रंग तेरी प्रीत का, माई तेरी चुनरिया लहराए, जब जब मुझ पे है उठा सवाल, माई तेरी चुनरिया लहराए, जग से हारा नहीं मैं, खुद से हारा हूँ माँ, एक दिन चमकूंगा लेकिन तेरा सितारा हूँ माँ, माई रे मुझसे रूठी मेरी परछाई. Thank you guys. That's my performance.
That was very nice, Rohit. And I think Reddy Charan, whoever that is, he's been giving lots of support to Rohit.
Thank you, Charan.
So I think you have to thank your friend.
I thank everyone here.
Oh my gosh, there's so many comments. I think this is like the first one or the second one that has gotten this many comments. But
Thank you, ma'am.
I think I can understand why they have been commenting so much. You are very nice. So all the best.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you so much for that, Rohit. We really ended on a banger. And I think we've had an evening of 10 absolutely amazing performances. And I think the judges are going to have a very hard time choosing the winners. I'd like to yield to Rishabh to take us ahead.
Thank you so much, Kashvi, and I agree. The performance was really, really nice, and I thoroughly enjoyed it. So, just a few things I would like to say. Just a few clarifications. If you had previously registered for this competition as a participant and your name wasn't called here, it was because we had a previous audition round where where the people who had appeared amongst those we had shortlisted these 10 people. So please try to understand that why we have not called your name here. And those were the 10 performances from the contestants. And we are going to have another special segment really soon with someone really special as well. So before that, we would like to give you an insight into what's at stake. I would like to yield it to Mihir Walvekar, who is a part of this organizing committee in this particular competition. So Mihir, you can go ahead.
Thank you so much, Rishabh. And I would first like to thank everyone for coming here. And I would also like to thank all of the previous 10 singers who have attended today's Alchemy competition and have sung absolutely amazing songs. And now we're reaching the end of the competition. We'll be having a question and answer session. And as Rishabh said, we'll be having another special performance to end this fantastic competition. Now, what's at stake? We're going to be having a cash prize of 2,000 rupees and only one winner. We're going to be having certificates. And as you know, the Indian Conclave is a place where MUNs all throughout India are coming together. So this is going to be a huge, huge competition. And I'm pretty sure the judges will be having an extremely hard time trying to give the prize to these stunning participants who have had a healthy rivalry with each other up till now. As Nancy Pearcey used to say, healthy competition is a good thing because it forces us to do our best. And I believe that every single participant today has done their best. Thank you all. I would like to give it to Rishabh again. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Mihir, for those words. Now I would like to yield the floor to our resource wing members, Mahi Vora ma'am and Ayan Lakhani sir, who have a few things to say as well. And as Mihir said, we will also be moving into the question and answer session really soon.
All right. Thank you so much, Rishabh, for the opportunity. To start with, it was an awesome evening to listen to all the legendary singers we had here. So, as we have the time till the judges prepare their results, we'll be sharing with you the upcoming events that the Indian Conclave has prepared. On 4th August, which is tomorrow, from 5 p.m. to 7 p.m., we have an all-star roundtable conference. From 5th August, from 7 p.m. onwards, we have international delegate panel discussion. On 6th August, from 2 p.m. to 3 p.m., we have an webinar by Sayog Foundation. From 3 p.m. to 5 p.m. on the same day, we have career counseling session, and followed by from 5 p.m. to 7 p.m. we have Awaz, which is the open mic. On 7th August, we have the opening ceremony of the Indian Conclave MAN. On 7th August from 9:30 p.m. onwards, we have the Bollywood night for all of you. And to tell about the MAN event, it consists of 10 committees, including the Midnight Knockouts. We, on behalf of the Indian Conclave, would love to have all of you there. And you all can register by going to the Indian Conclave website. Thank you so much. And I would like to yield the floor to Mahi.
Thank you. First of all, I really want to tell all the participants that their performances were so amazing. I did not expect it exceeded expectations. And while you wait for the results, there are certain question answers to test your knowledge about music. Hope you are ready for that, and I expect some active participation. So whoever wants to answer, you can just type it out on the chat box, and let's see if you can. So the first two questions.
Mine, I'm so sorry for the interruption. Maybe we might have to put our jury members in a different breakout room so that our voice does not disturb their evaluation.
Sure.
Urvansh, if that can be done quickly.
Yes, sir.
I'm so sorry, people. Yeah, sorry, Mahi. You may continue.
Thank you, sir. All right. So the first two questions will be a multiple choice one. We'll start with an easy one. All right. So who among these is not related to music? A. Mozart, B. Bach, C. Picasso, and D. Beethoven. All right. You guys know all the answers. Fine. This was an easy one. Yes, Picasso, C is the right answer. All right. Next question. We'll take it up a notch higher. All right. Hari Prasad Chaurasiya is associated with which musical instrument? Hari Prasad Chaurasiya is associated with which musical? Wait for the options. All right. It's the options are tabla, flute, shehnai, or santoor. And yes, we have the answers in the chat box. Flute is correct. All right. The next question. Okay, so here we do not have multiple choice questions. You are expected to answer. Okay, answer this. Who composed the score for Inception? The chat box seems awfully empty. All right, I'll repeat. Who composed the score for Inception? Yes, Mihir sir. It's Hans Zimmer. You're right. Great. Okay, the next question. Which famed British musician played a wizard singer in Harry Potter and the Goblet of Fire? I'll repeat. Which famed British musician played a wizard singer in Harry Potter and the Goblet of Fire? Sir, Rohit Katta sir is a wizard, but not in Harry Potter. Nope, it is not Ian Brown. Jarvis Cocker, right? Aradhya, you're right. It's Jarvis Cocker. Great. Next one. What was the name of Madonna's first studio album? It was released in 1983. All right, I'll repeat. What was the name of Madonna's first studio album, which was released in 1983? If Madonna had an album named Rohit Katta, yes, Vineet, Madonna is the right answer. The first album was named Madonna. No, Gautami, it was named Madonna. It was not Lucky Star. All right. The last question.
No, make it last but one. This is the Indian conclave. After this, I have one question pertaining to Indian music. Let's see who gets that.
All right, sir. All right. So the second last question. What was the name of the original drummer for the Beatles? I'll repeat. What was the name of the original drummer for the Beatles? Waiting. Do we have the answers? Please don't Google it. You know you can't take advantage of this.
Shivamani.
Snata Mohanty, you are right. It is Peter Best. Dhrita, you are right. It is Randolph Peter Best. All right. These were the questions I had. So the last question on Indian music, sir, please go ahead.
All right. Who amongst them is not a singer? Your option A, Shama Shastri. Option B, Tansen. Option C, Ravi Verma. Option D, Tyagaraja. Who amongst them is not a singer? Who was Ravi Verma then? I see majority of the answers say Ravi Verma. Who was Ravi Verma? To those who said Ravi Verma. And those who said Shama Shastri also. Sculptor, artist, painter. Architect and Raja Ravi Verma is the right answer. Raja Ravi Verma was an architect and a painter, not a sculptor. He was an architect and a painter, a very famous South Indian painter. Can we do one more or do we have something in plan?
Yes, sir, please go ahead.
Rang Rasya. Okay. Deep Malhar Rag was composed by which singer? Vineet, I'm smart, Vineet. I know that Ravi Verma, you Google it, you're going to get misled. That's the reason why I framed few questions. Ravi Verma, Deep Malhar, yes. A.R. Rahman. Let's see. There is A.R. Rahman, there is Tansen. Let us see for some more answers. Okay, let's have a deal. We'll see the fastest 5. We'll just count 5 and within 5 they have to answer. Otherwise, they'll take time and Google it and come. Okay. If Tansen, okay, so Deep Malhar Rag was a musical composition by Tansen. So basically, Deep Malhar Rag is a form of Hindustani music. So the power of this song was such that if you sing, the vibrations it created was so powerful that it could ignite. So literally, all you had to do was take a lamp, fill it with oil, and put the wick. You need not ignite it. The music tunes would create so much of vibrations that the fire would ignite itself automatically. That was the power. So it could light up diyas as base. So this was a challenge between Akbar and Tansen. Tansen was a court singer in the Mughal Emperor Akbar, and that's how we could do it. So if Deep Malhar Rag was composed by Tansen, who composed Megh Malhar Rag? Tansen? The answer is Acharya Vishwanath Rao. So basically, in the legends, okay, sorry, Aditi ma'am is already here. Yes, Kushal brothers are all. Yes, you may have the floor.
So do we announce this or is there anyone else announcing these results?
Ma'am, before announcing, we agreed on something, right? Some special performance or something.
Oh, right. आपने तो नहीं बोला था. Okay. I'll sing a few lines of my favorite song. So this basically is my favorite song from a long time, but since Sushant Singh has passed away unexpectedly, it has become like my zone of like mood outness and sadness. So whenever I feel sad, I listen to this song. I'll sing a few lines for you guys. खैरियत पूछो कभी तो कैफियत पूछो तुम्हारे बिन दीवाने का क्या हाल है दिल मेरा देखो ना मेरी हैसियत पूछो तेरे बिन एक दिन जैसे 100 साल है अंजाम है मेरा होना तुम है मेरा जितनी भी हो दूरियां फिलहाल है ये दूरियां फिलहाल है ओ कैफियत पूछो कभी तो कैफियत पूछो तुम्हारे बिन दीवाने का क्या हाल है दिल मेरा देखो ना मेरी हैसियत पूछो तेरे बिन एक दिन जैसे 100 साल है There you go.
That was amazing. The chat box is flooded with so many comments. Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you so much.
We're also waiting. Yes.
I'm sorry. No.
For one more performance by our esteemed judges, Kaushal brothers.
Okay, so Aditi was best, we can say. Amazing voice she has. So we are gonna sing a very beautiful song called Tu Hi Re by Hariharan ji. Hope you'll all like it. Okay. Am I audible? Or guitar?
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. तू ही रे तेरे बिना मैं कैसे जीऊं आजा रे यूं ही तड़पाना तू मुझको जाने रे इन सांसों में बस जा चांद रे आजा दिल की जमीन चाहत है अगर आके मिल जाना तो मुझको यार ऐसा कर धरती से मिला दे मुझको तू ही रे तेरे बिना मैं कैसे जीऊं आजा रे इन सांसों में बस जा इन सांसों में I think everyone want to listen Love Kush song. Yeah. We can see in the comment box and few from you. Okay. हम कथा सुनाते राम सकल गुण धाम की हम कथा सुनाते राम सकल गुण धाम की ये रामायण है पुण्य कथा श्री राम की ये रामायण है पुण्य कथा श्री राम जम्बू द्वीपे भारत खंडे आर्यावर्ते भारत वर्षे एक नगरी है विख्यात अयोध्या नाम यही जन्म भूमि है परम पूज्य श्री राम की हम कथा सुनाते राम सकल गुण धाम ये रामायण है पुण्य कथा श्री राम ये रामायण है पुण्य कथा श्री राम Thank you so much everyone. Jai Shri Ram. Jai Shri Ram.
Thank you so much, sir. Rishabh, if you can take over.
Yes, thank you so much to our very honorable judges for those amazing performances. I'm pretty sure everyone enjoyed it and you mesmerized us with your performances. So if the judges are ready, if you would feel it's time, you can go ahead and take over.
Okay. We took over. I officially took over. So, okay, first thing I wanted to say, all of you did really well. And, because of the circumstances that we are in, because of Zoom and because of all this audio, everything, we might have small nuances or things that we can't really look keenly upon because we're not in front of you guys. Just because of this internet and everything, there are lots of things going on. But even though there's all of that, everyone has sung really well. Everyone has put their best efforts. Picking the songs also. Oh, just to let you know, if you're doubted with the results or if you're thinking whoa, what happened? We've also taken into consideration the topic or what they said. Incredible India was the theme of the competition. So we've taken that into consideration. So the songs that you have sung will also be taken into account for that. Okay, so shall we just should we go like third to first, or create some kind of suspense for you guys, or you just want me to go first to third? Yeah, third to first. Okay, yeah, okay, done. So the third would be Dhriti. She sung really well. Congratulations, Dhriti. You've won third place. I really like your song selection, and you've done extremely well singing it. Second would have to be Miss Revati Rajashekar.
Yeah.
Congratulations, Revati.
Congratulations, Revati.
You have a very nice Western voice, so try training towards the Western side because you have a good nick for that. And first, Appa, Rohit. Rohit Katta. Aage comments mein Rohit Katta. Yeah. So first, actually, we've gotten a tie between two people because they sung really well, both of them. So the first would be, of course, Rohit Katta. Reddy Charan, I hope you're happy for Rohit. And the second person would have to be Sahiti.
Yeah. Sahiti and Rohit, congratulations, both of you from Kaushal Brothers, and keep it up. You did a very beautiful performances, and thanks so much. All the best for your future. Yeah.
Cool. So Rohit, Sahiti, Revati, and Dhriti, congratulations to all four of you. We had a tough time choosing between first place. I was like Rohit, and they were like Sahiti is good. So we let's just do a tie, because both of them are really nice. So okay, congratulations to all of you, and keep practicing, keep striving, and keep listening to music.
Okay.
Okay, then I'll go. Tata, bye bye.
Okay.
Okay, bye. Tata, bye bye.
Thank you so much for coming.
Stay safe, one song before going.
Oh.
Okay. Thank you so much. We also have to go. Okay.
Stay safe. Wear masks. Wear sanitizers. If you're going out, only go for a extremely important purpose. Don't roam outside because you're bored. Other than that, okay, bye bye. Take care.
Okay. Bye bye. Jai Shri Ram. Bye, Aditi. Bye.
Bye bye.
Okay. Nice to meet you.
अब लोग छोड़ दिया क्या? मेरा एक क्वेश्चन का आंसर था भाई. चलो. Ansh, we can't hear you.
अनम्यूट ही नहीं कर सकता, कहाँ सुनते? अभी भी रिकॉर्ड कर रहे, बंद करो भाई रिकॉर्डिंग.